Wagwan people, the Jamaican Guide here. Welcome back to another video. Alright, so today we're going to be looking at how to look at somebody's status on WhatsApp without them knowing. Alright, but before we get to that, we just want to give a big shout out to Yardi TV. You understand what I say? Yeah, so for the latest in a dancehall entertainment, everything in a dancehall, just check out Yardi TV. So I'm gonna put a link in the description to him channel, so you can just check him out, check out him thing. Him have some nice videos where someone will probably like. Yes, so check out him thing, give him a subscribe to him channel, click the notification bell. That means when him upload, you will see what go on. Alright, yes, so as I say, we are going to look at how to see somebody's status on WhatsApp without them knowing. Alright, so before we get to that, before you can do that, you have to have the GB WhatsApp. So if you don't have the GB WhatsApp, then you'll have to download it. I recently put out a video about the GB WhatsApp and how to download it. So I'll put a link to that in the description as well. Right? So we're gonna get down to the video like now. Alright, so here we go. Okay, so after you have downloaded the GB WhatsApp, if you look at my screen, you can see that I have the GB WhatsApp, and I'll be going in there and showing you how to do this. Right? So after you have downloaded and installed the GB WhatsApp on your phone, then you come right here to the phone screen and you click on the app and go inside there. Alright? Maybe your WhatsApp, your GB WhatsApp at the time that you've downloaded don't look like this. You understand? Because every month they put out a new update, and when they get new updates, you can expect anything, any kind of changes. You understand what I say? So maybe it don't look like this. But however it may look, you need to just find the settings. And once you find the settings, this is where my setting is. I select that to go to my setting. Okay, so once you find the setting where most of the settings are the options are, you look for privacy and security, because that is a part of privacy. So you will mostly likely find that setting in privacy. So we're going into privacy now. So as I say, it don't matter if your WhatsApp look like this or not. It don't matter the update. If you're watching this video 5 years ahead in the future, it don't matter. It's going to be the same way. You understand what I say? You cannot watch it in the past, so you have to watch it in the future. So if you're watching it 5 years in the future, next year, 2021, because it's 2020 now. So if you watch it 2021, 2022, it will be the same. Alright, so we're going to go down now and look for that. Hide view status. Alright, here we go. Don't tell contacts that you viewed their status. And we're going to just check this right here. And so once you have checked that, turn that on. However it may look, you make sure that it's on. Once it is on, then your contacts won't know that you have viewed their status. Alright, so we're going to look at one of my contact status right now, and they won't know that I have viewed it. Come on, let's go. Alright, so we're gonna just view one of my contacts them status real quick, and them not gonna know so we view it. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so viewing this status now today, and the people in business and them life. I hope nobody know them. Alright, yes, so this is what it looks like now when you view somebody's status. Usually you would have two tickies on the left hand side prior to the one that you're seeing on the right hand side. That is the arrow pointing down. You would have two sticky on the left hand side that you would just click, and it would tell the contacts that you've viewed their status. You would have that option to click that or not. Understand? But through this is a new update, you don't really have that option, but we already selected it in the options for this person who posted his status not to see that I viewed their status, so they won't know. Believe me, you can try it out for yourself, guys, and let me know what you think in the comments. Alright, so that's it. Please remember to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot.